Camtasia Affiliate Program Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to the Camtasia Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the Camtasia Affiliate Program, including its commission structure, benefits, and ideal promoters. If you're interested in signing up, check out the links in the description. Camtasia, developed by TechSmith Muleta, is a leading screen recording and video editing software designed for professionals, educators, and content creators. It's widely used for creating tutorials, online courses, presentations, and marketing videos. Camtasia offers a user-friendly interface with powerful features like drag-and-drop editing, built-in effects, animations, and multi-track timelines. Its ability to record both screen and webcam simultaneously makes it a top choice for YouTubers, trainers, and business professionals. The Camtasia Affiliate Program provides an excellent earning opportunity for those who promote digital tools. Affiliates can earn up to 10% commission per sale, which might seem lower than some competitors. But given Camtasia's high price point, even a single sale can result in a solid payout. The program is managed through Impact and TechSmith's in-house affiliate platform, ensuring real-time tracking, marketing resources, and timely payouts. The cookie duration is 30 days, meaning if someone clicks your link and purchases within that period, you'll earn a commission. One of the biggest advantages of promoting Camtasia is its high demand among professionals and businesses. Many companies rely on it for training materials and corporate presentations, while educators and online course creators use it for professional video content. Additionally, Camtasia offers a free trial, which helps improve conversion rates for affiliates. The ideal audience for this affiliate program includes content creators, online educators, marketers, and business professionals who create tutorials, explainer videos, and training materials. If you run a blog, YouTube channel, or website focused on video editing, online learning, or productivity tools, Camtasia is a valuable software to recommend. In conclusion, the Camtasia Affiliate Program is a great opportunity for those looking to monetize their content by promoting a trusted, high-quality video editing and screen recording tool. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to sign up and start earning commissions. Thanks for watching.